I'm doing this vlog on my phone because I don't feel like carrying around a camera all day. But today's my birthday. And today I have school, but I don't have first period until 9:50 because my first period is, I don't have a first period for my senior year, so I have a Zoom at 9:50 for culinary. Watching The Office until I have Zoom in 50 minutes. It's 9 right now. I've been up since like 7:40, and then I started watching The Office at like 8. And yeah, and then after school I'm gonna go get frozen yogurt because frozen yogurt is expensive, so like it's more of a birthday thing that we all do, that like me and Puma get. I don't know why the babies don't. I think they don't think about it, but like me and Puma always want frozen yogurt, but it's so expensive, so we just get it on our birthdays. But yeah, so Zoom meeting at 9:50, and then I just have to do an assignment, which will literally take me like not that long. I think I'm gonna do my eyebrows just because I want to, not because of Zoom. Like last time I was on Zoom I had a hoodie on and my hair in a bun, but I just want to do my eyebrows today, so I think that's what I'm gonna do. And yeah, so I'm gonna do my eyebrows right now, and now I'm gonna have my eyebrows done. Now I'm done with my makeup. My eyebrows came out a little thick today, but I just didn't feel like taking the time to fix them, and I didn't want to do my eyeliner, so I just put mascara and eyeliner on my waterline. I think that's what it's called. But yeah, so I don't know what I'm gonna wear today. I think I'm just gonna wear a random shirt and sweats. Oh my god, I have stuff in the dryer. Okay, I'm gonna go do my laundry. Say hi, Sonia.
Hi.
Okay, so my Zoom meeting is in 3 minutes. It's 9:47, so I'm just waiting for it to start. My mom got me coffee. It's vanilla sweet cream cold brew. Their nitro machine still isn't working. Oh my god, it's so good. Okay, my mom's outside cleaning her car, but my meeting's about to start, and then I'm gonna do my quick assignment, and then I'll be done. So I'm feeding the dogs. I feed them around 11 every day. Hello! Here you go. It smells like onions out here. Okay. And now I'm gonna get them ice water. We have an excessive heat warning today. All week, pretty much. But yeah. Smells so good. It's sweater weather. Okay, I have to do my work. I don't want to. Her boyfriend. No? Oh my god, you have your camera on, dude. You do this, and then you. Where is my mouse? Then you watch these videos, and then you do 5 key points on each video. I have history next at like 11:45. We have lunch at 11:10, which is like a break basically, from 11:10 to 11:40. So yeah.
At like 10 or 11. I don't know. I helped my sister with her game. I met my too.
Okay, so I've been out of school for 30 minutes. Or not out of it, but like done until 5th period is at 11:45, which is not that long from now. I could probably watch an hour, one episode of The Office right now. But yeah, so after we do that, I've just been drinking coffee and going to the bathroom like 15 million times because it's a lot of coffee. And I'm trying to drink a lot of water because I'm on my lady time and I don't want to be on my period, so on my lady time. So I'm drinking a lot of water. But yeah, so then after school we're probably gonna go get frozen yogurt, so I'm gonna film that. And yeah. So I'm in a Zoom meeting right now, and there's these 2 girls who laugh more than you like. Am I muted?
More than me.
Oh my god, okay, I'm muted. and they are so obnoxious. Like, it's these two girls who they're friends together, and they laugh so hard, and they think everything is hilarious, and it's annoying. Like, you're seniors, can you please grow up? And this guy, they're just the most irritating humans on the planet, and I can't stand them, and they don't shut up. Like, it's not funny. Nobody cares that you're laughing. She's literally laughing right now. We're all muted. Nothing's funny. She's pregnant.
Are we all going to the store?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, because we're all getting frozen yogurt.
Okay, so I just put my shoes on and we're about. This is my outfit. My room's a mess. Don't talk about it. And we're gonna leave now.
It looks like a plane.
Hop it right now.
Ah. What happened, frozen? Big. Why are your things so big?
How cute. No math or first senior year was a move. I did the same thing.
So we're in my mom's room. She has orange lighting. My forehead is greasy. So we got sushi to film, but I'm in a bad mood and I don't want to film. Because I'm just tired and I just want to sit down and watch a show with my mom. So we spent $40 on sushi, and here's the sushi.
We were about to film.
We were about to film, and then I was like in a bad mood. My mom was like, no. So
No, it's just that I want you to enjoy your day.
yeah, so this is what we're doing now. This is a towel because like her comforter's butt white. That's Pumbaa. You can sit on the bed with us. She's eating.
Like I'm living the life.
Yeah.
Living like Larry.
My camera's dirty, and so we're gonna watch TV on her TV, obviously. And yeah, I'm gonna go change into comfy clothes. So this is called a rock and roll. I eat this all the time. I eat all these on my mom's channel. This is, I think it's a Prada. This is Alaska. I love salmon. And that's a super dragon roll. The eel is amazing. And then I have sriracha and ginger right here, and then all these. So yeah, I'm really tired and ew.
What's
What's with the fur? Jessica, did you sleep with your chemistry teacher? Like I was failing chemistry. So these are just my little spots because I have like no pimples. Puma just did it anywhere that she thought. Her bangs made her break out. This is the Indian clay face mask. I know you're not supposed to use it. Like some people literally are disgusted by it. We still use it. Well, very rarely though. I don't really need to because I don't want to break out my face. So.
Jesus, not Sydney. I gotta get on shoe scale.
So I took off my face mask. I'm gonna take off hers. And I'm gonna do her eyebrows because they're looking rough. So I'm gonna do them.
You
Am I wrong?
better be glad it's your
So
birthday.
I'm gonna show you the before. How am I supposed to take off your freaking glasses?
No, because like I had the little cluster.
I need. Okay, so these are her eyebrows. Move your move your hand. Okay, those are her eyebrows. You can kind of see the before. I just don't want to, expose her entire life. So. So we just left my mom's room right now. It's 11:30. I'll show you guys what I got from Target, like from my family, and what my mom let me pick out. Anya picked out this cup for me. This is glass. I think I'm gonna start using Keurig cups and this silicone. So like, I like it. And I picked out these canvases because I wanted to paint something. I've been seeing like canvas painting on my TikTok, so I wanted to see. Oh, I finally got this. I didn't get the face wash just because I'm scared to switch face washes because I'm like clear right now and I don't want to like mess it up. So this is just moisturizer because I have dry patches on my face. We should actually put that on right now. And then I got 2 more of these because it's my favorite. I have this one. This one's almost gone and I left the other one at Jocelyn's house, so I just bought more. And then, who picked this up for me?
Huh?
Who picked this up?
I don't know. They just got it while I was getting
Well,
it.
this is stress ball.
Okay.
Needs to be broken in. And then they got me this unicorn putty that changes color.
Oh, I want to play with that actually. Give me.
Oh, I thought I almost broke my nail. Why I don't nail? I can't even open it. You open it.
Give me.
Anyways, it's purple putty. And then my mom just got me a bunch of makeup because we needed it. Or I needed it because so we would stop sharing makeup because we would go back and forth. So this is a black eyeliner, the one that I use all the time. This Wet n Wild, like, for your waterline because I started doing that.
Those fruit bars.
And then this telescopic mascara just because it's our favorite one from, like, drugstore. And then this, there was, like, The Office. It was, like, sort of like, you know, like, surprise eggs. Oh, yeah, this is it. Changes to a light purple. Yeah. And so that's what I got. And then I had spent my money, like, that video where I did Amazon shopping, I already spent all of my birthday money, but they just got me, like, little stuff just, you know, for my birthday. They did it for the babies, too, because they spent their money on, like, Switches and stuff. And then I got my nails done as well, so my mom paid for those from her cousin, because her cousin was here and she does nails, like, professionally.
Fancy.
Oh, and I got this shirt. Puma picked out this shirt. It's a large, but, like, after you dry it, like, once, it'll shrink
I'm
down.
sorry, okay?
No, I'm not mad about it. I don't care. Fun.
Show them the color up close. I made it more pinkish. No, on this top.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
It
wow.
changes.
Oh, it's fruity.
Exactly. I said
I
it's
didn't
like
know it
those
was
fruit bars
fruity.
I used to eat for breakfast. Okay,
Oh my god, I didn't know it was fruity. Okay, so I'm gonna try this. Oh, it helps with eczema.
I got eczema.
Eczema. So that's everything I got and that my family got me. Oh, and I got a Billie Eilish record that Puma picked out too. It's over there. I think I showed you. Yeah, I showed you the record player, like actually playing it. And yeah, that's everything I got. I'm so excited to use this. The office on. My forehead looks really big, and I have my hair up in a ponytail. I don't know why I did that.
Yeah, it looks really weird.
Yeah, it looks weird just because this is like, because it was in braids. And then I have this now. I mean, I don't mind it that much. It's just my forehead. But I use this CeraVe. She's using it too. And it doesn't seem... I'm scared because I don't use anything on my face besides Curology. Now we're just going to go to watch The Office, one episode, and then go to bed. You can't see it.
Oh.
Ah! Oh, ah! Ah! I'm going to add this in my birthday vlog because I still haven't started editing it. I'll show you a bunch of stuff that I got when I went to the mall with Kaylee, and also my toothbrush came. We all switched to electric toothbrushes, and I also have this very big pimple for the first time in forever, which is really annoying. I also got this. I already showed you guys that, but I got this putty. Oh, it's red. It's the Crazy Aaron's Thinking Putty Vampire. So there's that. I got this shirt. Kaylee got it for me. And I got this beanie, you know, the one that everybody has. It was $16, so I was like, why not? And then I got these Adidas shorts. They're so nice. I can't wait to wear them around the house. And then me and my mom really needed pomade, so I went to Sephora and I got the pomade that we needed. I should have gotten 2, but I forgot.
And your nails are so pretty.
And yeah. And then I got this book. I don't normally read, but the first sentence made me want to buy it, which is, or not sentence, first like paragraph. A woman crosses a London street. It is after 11 a.m. on a bright spring morning, and she is going into a funeral parlor to plan her own service. 6 hours later, the woman is dead, strangled with the crimson curtain cord in her own home. So I was like, I need it. And then I got this at Hobby Lobby. My entire room smells like this right now, and I haven't even opened it. You can put it in a trash can, which is weird. Vehicles, vacuum bags, closets, gift baskets, bathrooms, and drawers. My entire room smells like this. When I had it in Kaylee's cousin's car, it smelled like this too. I feel like I got something else. Oh, and I got these little balls. Let me show you. Got these balls at Barnes & Noble for the kids. They're just like really interesting and weird. So I got a bunch. I got 4. I gave Aaliyah mine. So yeah.
You gave me a
So that's everything I got when I went to the mall today. And yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna make an outro. Like, I'm not actually make an outro. So that was that video. It was just like my birthday. I didn't really film a lot of it because I was just with my family, and then I went to the mall yesterday with Kaylee, so I just filmed what I got. And yeah. And these are the shorts. I didn't show them for whatever. My mirror's disgusting. But these are the shorts I got. They're just like, I got them from Dick's. Anyway, so that was the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And let me know if you guys want like an actual room tour, because I plan on making one. I just don't know, like, I want to make one, but like if you guys don't want a room tour because like I moved my room around 80 million times, then should I just not do room tour, like an in-depth one? I don't know. Let me know if you made it to the end of the video. But yeah, leave a like, comment, subscribe, do what you want to do, and I'll see you in the next one.